Hi everyone, Brad Dickens from Condev Construction's Natura project manager with your construction update. Since the last video, you'll see that the building's now gone. Demolition took approximately 4 weeks duration, and we're now busy working in the ground. Next stage of works is drilling the secant piling in, which is a continuous concrete wall which will allow us to dig the excavation. So hopefully by the next update, you'll see a hole in the ground and the tower crane stood ready for us to build Natura.